Hello, everyone who follow us. I'm right now in Amazon in Santarém Discus farm in Santarém city, and I will make something for the first time. I will gonna packing the fish I keep for more than 2 months. Make all quarantines and they are ready to export. So I will packing and help my staff packing the fish, and I gonna open them in Santarém Discus Plus in Portugal. So I packing in Brazil and I unpacking in Portugal, and I want to share with all of you how we're gonna make that. See you guys. See you in Portugal.
Oh. Do you want food? Oh, baby. So you want food? Is that? Come on. Give me 1 second. What?
I have packing the fish in Amazon, Santarém, and now we're going unpacking the fish in Portugal. So I have packing at 18th of November, and today, 20th of November, they arrive to Portugal, and we are unpacking. You will see. So in total we have 35 boxes and near 500 wild discus. All alive. I will pack.